At Bella Beauty College, we recognise that studying is a significant commitment. Our aim is to simplify the path for our students aspiring to become beauty professionals. We cater to all budgets and preferences, and we provide multiple payment options. For those who prefer spreading the cost, we offer interest-free payment plans starting from as little as $25 per week. These flexible plans allow you to ease the financial burden of your studies without incurring extra charges. Furthermore, you have the freedom to pay off the full amount at any time without facing fees or penalties. Alternatively, if you choose to pay up front, we extend a special discount enabling you to save money and concentrate on your studies without the concern of ongoing payments. Our primary goal is to ensure you can wholeheartedly focus on your passion for beauty without any financial worries.